Hello, I'm Avery at John's Waterproofing and I'm the structural foreman, and today we're in Lake Oswego doing some helical piers. This right here is one of our helical piers. We drive these things down to multiple different depths of feet. Sometimes they'll go 9 feet down, other times they'll go 30 plus. We drive these down to a certain pressure depending on the size of the house. And when we drive these, reach that pressure, we get everything set up, we put a bracket on the system, and we get everything ready to lift the house, stabilize the house, and prevent it from sinking any further. When this is all said and done, we backfill everything and we try to make the landscaping look really pretty. And then we talk with the homeowner, make sure that they're happy with the results, and we wrap up the day.
Hello, my name is Luis Sanchez Rivera. I'm the co-foreman on the project. Right now we're about to start driving on the helicals. Pretty much we got the lead in here. We're about to connect it to this guy, the bell, which we have it connected to the torque arm with the drive head. Pretty much it's kind of like a screwdriver. It just goes all the way down until we get to a certain pressure. And yeah, we're about to get started. It's gonna be a fun time.